Out here in the suit, going out to the fields to do a bee check. There our little friends are. Yeah, out there. So I got the honey supers. Got some hay for the smoker. Toolkit. And we're gonna check on the brood, see how bees are looking, and hopefully all is going well. Alrighty. Looks like we're here. Okie dokie. So, let's get out first of all, do an initial check. So, for some reason, my hive here on the left is always pretty hungry. Sugar jar, nice and empty. Over here, they're still bustling, you know, but their sugar jar still has some work. At least judging by the outside of the hive, there's plenty of activity going on. We can see some different size bees and smaller worker bees and some bigger ones. I don't know if I've seen any drones yet, but we're about to find out.